HSEE, which stands for Humanities and Social Sciences Entrance Exam, is a national level exam conducted by IIT Madras. This exam is to recruit candidates for the 5 years master programs offered by the Department of Humanities and Social Sciences by IIT Madras. Hi, I'm Karthik and this is Youth of Work, and we are back with another video. The focus of this video will be HSEE conducted by IIT Madras. In this video, we will be talking about the eligibility criteria for HSEE exam conducted by IIT Madras. The maximum age for general candidates is 25 years and the age is relaxed for SC/ST candidates by 5 years. The candidate must have cleared their 10+2 from a recognized board. Candidates of general and OBC category should have a minimum of 60% in 12th class, and for SC/ST and person with disability, candidate is reduced to 55%. After checking your eligibility, you have to fill the application form and submit your exam fee. The fees for exam application is 2,400 for general and OBC candidates and 1,200 for SC and ST and PWD candidates. In this video, we will be talking about the exam pattern of HSEE exam. HSEE exam is divided into two parts. Part 1, which is in online mode, consists of objective test questions to complete which a student is given only 150 minutes. Part 2 is descriptive test for which 30 minutes are allotted and is a pen and paper test. Part 1 consists of comprehension skills, quantitative ability, general studies, environment and ecology. Part 2 contains a single question which is to write an essay on any general topic. For each correct answer, 1 mark is rewarded and there is no negative marking in HSEE exam. Check the description for the link of the entire syllabus. The focus of this video will be tips and tricks that will help you in your HSEE exam. Make sure to go through the syllabus and pattern for the exam thoroughly before starting your preparation. Prepare handmade notes for better understanding of the basics and concepts. Have a proper schedule for preparation so that you get enough time for revision. Try practicing online mock tests as many as you can. We Youth for Work has online mock tests with defined time limits for the better practice of students. Take proper sleeps and healthy meals to stay fit during your hard working days. So if you find the content of this video relevant, then please like, share and subscribe to our video.